Hi, this is the CMS Geek Squad, and today we're going to demonstrate how to replace the end of an Ethernet wire. Here's the materials we need.
The materials that you need are crimpers, scissors, wire strippers, Ethernet plugs, Ethernet wires or cords, and a flute. Done.
The first step that you will do is clip off the end of the wire.
Where's the scissors? Oh, so we cut this.
Farther down. Yes.
Cut it.
When that is done, you're going to strip the rubber coating 1 inch from the end where it's needed.
Yeah, I know how to use this.
When that is done, you're going to unravel the little exposed wires. When that is done, you're going to put them into colored order from left to right.
The order for the colors that you're going to put them in is white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, and brown.
Do some trimming. When that is done, you're going to hold the wires in order and trim across the top evenly. Maintaining the same colored order, you're going to slip the wires into the plug. Then you're going to take the crimper, put it inside of the crimper, and tightly compress the handles together. Insert both sides of the wire into the fluke and test the wire. You will know that the wire works if each of the lines on the monitor are straight.